Guess I'm stuck in the office for a little bit. The purpose of today's video was I wanted to give you guys a behind the scenes on how I shoot my top-down videos. So first I just want to give you guys a little preview of the office that I work in. This office is 120 square feet. On the inside it measures 11 feet by 9 feet. We're able to fit in 2 workstations, a bookcase, a little futon chair, and this is my top-down setup right here. So let's start with the desk itself. I recommend that you try to find a solid desk that doesn't rock around too much because any kind of motion or vibration will be noticeable in your shot. This is a sit-stand desk. On the sit-stand desk, I have a desk clamp mounted to it. This pole is about 2 feet tall. And then at the top here, we have a C-clamp, which is connected to I believe they call it a magic arm. At the end of that magic arm, we have a 1/4 inch tripod screw mount. And then I have a point and shoot camera on here. So this is a Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I have a light here, and that helps to reduce the shadows on the surface that I have here. Now, I don't use batteries on the camera. This is a dummy battery that's connected to the wall outlet. That way, I don't have to worry about losing power when I'm shooting. In the back here, I also have another light that I'll turn on to throw some light onto the wall in the back here. So with this entire setup, this is what you see. And you can see here, this is how that top-down shot looks. So if I put my whole arm over it, the amount of shadow is minimized by quite a bit because of the lights. I turned off the cam lights. I turned on the light that was mounted on the camera. And you can see here, you can see everything really well. So it's perfect for any kind of top-down product review. This is shot in 4K. Even really small items like a memory card. And then this camera is zoomed all the way out right now, but I can zoom it in if I need to. So if I want to crop off the edges of the table, I can do that. Just see the tabletop, I mean. But that's how I get my shots.